Yo, FX Legends back at it again. Thank y'all for tuning in. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys about moving averages and the different types of moving averages. I'm going to show you guys from A to B how to set up a moving average and also how to use the moving average effectively. Today I'm going to be dropping a lot of knowledge and I want you guys to really take time to sink it in. Today we're going to be talking about moving average. Now, just to give you guys a little background about myself, when I first started trading, one of my biggest mistakes why I kept losing trades was because I didn't know what a moving average was, to analyze the data from the past and to bring it back to the future with using a moving average to know the average of the market and what the market is doing. Without that information, I didn't have it, so I lost a lot of money because I wasn't trading with a moving average. So I decided that I really wanted to talk about this and teach you guys how to set up a moving average so you guys wouldn't make the same mistakes that I made in the past, because moving averages, it's a very important tool to use in the market. And honestly, any pro trader that you're watching that's using a ton of indicators, they're really not a pro trader. Pro traders really use just one indicator, probably two indicators. Probably two indicators, not three, but probably two. But it's very rare. But the most important tool or indicator that you want to have is a moving average. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set it up. And real quick, just to let you guys know, a heads up, I got some merch coming soon, so new merch is finna drop. And I really want to give back to my community, and because I remember a time and place where I was back then when I didn't know how to trade and I wasn't successful at all with accumulated knowledge to know about the market. So I really want to teach you guys a lot, anything that you want to know. There's no course that I'm selling you guys. I don't want to sell you guys any courses yet, because I want to build you guys up to a level to where you won't even need my course to trade with me live. Now, that course that's going to be coming up that I'm talking about, that course you're going to be able to trade with me live on Zoom. So you won't be getting any call outs or any of that. You will be able to make money live with me, like period, live with me. When I take a trade, you take a trade, and when I close, you close. I'm going to be showing you why I take trades and when to close, when to get sniper entries. But with further ado, let's jump into this video, and that's another video I'm going to be making in the future. Just a sneak peek to give you guys a heads up on what's coming up. Now, the moving average is very important. As you guys can see on my charts right here, it's blank, and this is a day's time frame. So the moving average will let you get an idea on what market is going to be doing for the long term, so you can know when to enter in a trade and also when to close in a trade. And right now I'm actually in a trade right now as we speak, and I'm going to show you guys why I got into that trade just by looking at the moving average on my screen here. So let's jump into this video and show you guys how to set up a moving average. And when you hear the word moving average, you might think, wow, okay, moving average is just one moving average. There's many moving averages. There's many different types of moving averages. So I'm gonna go over that real quick. So you got a smooth moving average, and also you got a easy moving average, and there might be another name for it. A short name for both of them is an EMA, which is an easy moving average. And then you have a SMA, which is a smooth moving average, right? And a lot of traders use different types of moving averages, and you just have a moving average period, right? So let's go SMA, right? So as you can see right here, smooth moving average, which is SMA, right? And then you got EMA, right? So moving average right here, and you have an easy moving average. Now I'm going to show you guys the SMA that I use and how to set it up. So you type in SMA, you hit smooth moving average. You can put a star on it, so favorite, so you'll always have it. So you hit SMA, And once you hit SMA, it's already registered in your system. As you can see, we have a moving average right here. Now, a lot of traders are not going to reveal to you the numbers that they use for their moving average, but I'm really big on giving back to my community and build up big traders that just started out, like beginners, and anyone out there that would like to know how I trade to be profitable. I'm going to show you guys literally everything that I do step to step, and I'm going to reveal all the numbers to you guys because I want you guys to be profitable and be successful as I am, right? Because I know what it's like when you just start out. You don't know anything. It's like everyone's hiding or trying to sell you something. That's not my goal here. My goal is to add as much value as possible that I can give, right? Now, you come over here. If you hit this I, it will take it away. And I don't want to drag this video out for anyone that already knows how to use TradingView, but I want to make it as informational as possible. So you hit settings right here. Once you hit settings, the length, you want to change this to 50, right? So 50. Also, you got visibility right here. So inputs is where you put in 50. Visibility right here. So the visibility, you got visibility right here where you can shift around the numbers, days, hours, minutes, anything that you want to do. But we're not going to touch visibilities. We're going to hit style right here. We're going to keep it at purple. We're going to make, let's make the lines bigger so we can actually see the line, right? We really want to see moving average here. So we got that set up, and then just hit OK right here. Now, you might think we're done right here. We're not. You don't just use one moving average. Yes, you can use one moving average, but it won't be as effective, right? And that is the big secret. A lot of traders don't use one single move. Whenever the market crosses and drops below moving average, the 50 moving average, right? Market always drops. If it crosses underneath both of them, it's going to drop for the long term. As you can see right here, market broke through structure here, and dropped, right? What happens when market went over 50 moving average? So 50 moving average is right here. When market went above 50 moving average, market went up. When market went below moving average, market went down for the short term, consolidated, right? This whole thing is a consolidation. See, moving average is keeping the market below it because it's moving and working as a resistance. So the moving averages are resistance. As you can see, I demonstrated whenever market was below the moving average, the 50 moving average, it kept it below it, right? And the 8 moving average moves with the market, so it shows you the average of the market. And the 50 SMA, the 50 soft moving average, shows you the overall average of the market, right? Which is why it's a very powerful tool to use. And honestly, that is the only indicator you'll ever need to use. You don't need an Ichimoku cloud, because all the Ichimoku cloud is, it's a moving average. That's all it is, but in the form of a cloud, right? So now, and you got to know how to really use that to use it. And it's not as effective as just using a moving average, SMA or EMA, right? Now, you can see right here, right? What is market doing? Market crossed over moving average. So without doing any markups and just observing it, what should market do? Market should go up, right? That's what market should do. Now let's backtrack a little bit. Market right here. Let me zoom in on that because I really want to make sure you guys are getting this here. So right here, market consolidated on the moving average, right? Watch what happens when market finally broke above it. What did market do? Market went up, right? Market hit resistance right here and then fell. And you check out my other videos, I talk about resistance and support. If you don't know what is a resistance and really how to use resistance and support, check out my channel. It should be right over here on the side. It should be on the right side of the screen at the end of this video. So make sure you check out that video because it's very informational and it will show you literally how to trade smart. So market went up here, how would I know it's gonna drop? And real quick before I go, I'm gonna actually show you guys the profits I'm in right now, because I don't want you guys just to think that I'm just talking and I don't know what I'm talking about. Where's the profits? Show the proof. So I'm actually gonna do that right now, because I want to build my communities, and I want you guys to see and know that I actually do this, right? So as you can see right here, let me zoom in. I want to focus up the camera so you guys can really see what profits I'm in right here. As you can see, I'm at 184. I'm at 208 right now. As you can see, and market is still going up long term. Market is still going up long term. So I'm making profits right now. Market is still going up long term, and that's really how to use moving average. And I use the moving average to scale in. And just to let y'all know, quick heads up, I got new merch coming on the way. New merch is coming on the way, so be on the lookout for it. And I'm going to give back as much as I can possibly to the community of traders and whoever want to learn how to trade Forex, cryptos, or any type of stocks, because I know what it's like when you don't really know how to trade or what is Forex. You know what I'm saying? And I was there at one point in my life, and where I'm at right now, being effective and successful in trading, I decided that I want to give back to the community and to beginners like myself back then that had no idea how to trade or how to use the indicators or how to set up a chart and how to read a chart. So in this channel, you're going to learn all that stuff. You're going to learn from how to be a trader effectively from point A to Z. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and check out my other videos that's in my channel, and I hope you learn a lot. Also too, if there's a specific topic or any subject that you would like me to teach on in trading, just text in the comment section below and I'll make that video specially for you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. FX Legends, peace.